So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to deposit checks here on the Tangerine Bank app. So once the Tangerine Bank application's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right area and select on where it says Move Money. On this page right here where it says Deposit Checks, go ahead and select that. Now, in order to have the check deposit feature opened up, you're going to have a Tangerine checking account because obviously if you're cashing a check, you have to have a checking account or a savings account. So just go to the bottom, open up an account if you don't have one already. And once you're here, just like other apps, you can go ahead and actually scan the check or take a picture of the check, the front and the back, and then you can deposit it into your account that way. So once again, move money, deposit checks, and then you can deposit a check like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can deposit checks on the Tangerine Bank mobile banking application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.